Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a unique alert sound for VIP mails on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. In here, tap on Settings, and in Settings, you want to swipe down and tap on Mail. Next, go down and tap on Notifications. In Notifications, you want to go down and tap on Customize Notifications, and then tap on VIP. And in here, tap on Sounds, and by default, it is set to Note right here. So select a unique sounds so that when an emails arrive at your inbox, and if it is a VIP mail, then it will raise a unique sound, so you know from the sound that it is a unique VIP mail. And that's it. Finally, we can tap on the back key here to go back. Now in here, you can also turn on or turn off badges for VIP or alerts for VIP. And finally, you can go down, go back here, and you can also make changes to a specific account such as Gmail. And here you can choose to turn on or turn off Gmail alerts or badges. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.